One. So there again. So next video in the morning I see just rise up. I said I really just rise up cause rise up you chicken them water and feed the rabbit them already early. It's about 7 a.m. now. Alright, I feed my rabbit them. I was like my goat gave birth. I was here the kid crying. So I decided to pick up the camera and go check it out. I was thinking what we were going to post today was I was going to build a farrowing station over with pig because she has give birth like in 2 more weeks time. So that's it about the goat and kids, so I was showing that and I get to document all of that, so just stay tuned. So, goat gave birth like me I say. Neighbor tell me just same time. Say she gave birth on what? I don't know which part. Cause in there in my neighbor backyard. I put him because I know so she will give birth soon, so we just bring her home. So just a walk and see if we see her, cause he say he let her go. Oh, there she is. Give them look like them a feed from a distance. Let me see just now. Neighbor said I got twins. So he said. Oh, see, there they are. One of them is feeding. That's a female white one. Female. Let's see. And the grayish one. Let's see, like that's a male. Yeah, he looks like a male. The white one is a female. It's like she gave birth a few minutes ago or so. Yeah, I think she gave birth. Cause them pretty dry. Yeah, they are pretty dry. When I say which part where she gave birth. Cause my neighbor just let her loose to run because she's not gonna go anywhere without her kids. Yeah, people, and that's what's up. And Wyndham Livestock Farm this morning. So we're seeing it like in the early morning. They're lying down. She already bit their umbilical cord, the neighbor's string off already. It seems I'm seeing that from the distance. And they are feeding pretty well. They miss the breast and fall. You can see the ram is getting milk. She's not moving. She's a great mom. She's a great mom. sometime when she wanna be. But yeah, people, that's what's up. Probably take her home, or I'm not even sure, just make she stay a few days and come back for her later in the evening. Protect them neighbor string, the spray iodine on it and protect them. But yeah, people, so just stay tuned and enjoy our side vlog. We're gonna build our baby thing over the pig today, actually, still. But there's always something to show you guys on this farm, something always happening. So yeah, people, I'm just gonna pull on the breast to see if there's milk or anything. So like I was saying, I'm gonna test the breast if there's milk, and yep, there is. That's the thick milk running. Yep, both of the breasts has milk, so yeah, they are feeding fine. Yeah, people, a male and a female, that's good. The ram is on those breasts. It's forever going, non-stop. So on our way back, I'm checking the goat. Stop, get some fruit. This limit. This is sharp, sweet. Yeah, people, that's where I live in them countryside, yeah. Seasonal fruit, you know what I mean? I said we have apple right there, lots. You know, we have star apple, and we have apple. Pineapple time will come next. Wow. Good to live in a country and know them thing, yeah. So, just stay tuned still, peeps. So now, go back, okay, so I check on this a goat, this some goat feed where I bring the native boar mix there. We have we get recently. So I check on them and look on the duck them at the same time. Pig video. I'll come up right next to that. We're gonna make the Farrowing Stable over pig. Yeah, so reach. Duck them and lay all over the place. Look, so we have duck egg right there. Still turkey staple. Oh, I said we don't say turkey staple, but she drop her egg. She drop her egg just now. Like she make her nest here, so she move from that location. But we have 8 turkey egg beneath. We end them. So we end them, I'm gonna hatch them soon, hopefully. We get maybe all but some of them egg big boy gone. Chin face dirty and stay chin. Run. Mama soon give birth. She give birth to a 28 28th this month. It's May. We have a bit of a Farrowing Stale over her because she about 2 weeks to give birth now, so you know they intend me put them in on the bigger farm them where they have them guys there, them put them in like a month to get comfortable, all of that, but me nah do that. Me just give them 2 to 3 weeks in and duck them all over like I say. See a duck nest here, like how much check that? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, about 12. That's much. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. 11 egg. But yeah, peeps, it's a step in my neighbor property because son of mine's no fence line. Yeah, so we have him. We are feeding him a little thing here. So I pick it up, bring over to him. You can get some food. See my look. I know say it's the pan here. A feed pan. Sniffing the pan. Now I give no food to them, man. Come. Just a tie with him and feeding still. This is less than a pound of feed. Because the pan here actually was £1.5. And that's like pound or less. More all my animals, they eat pellets. I guess that now got them. She have to train them how to. And she eat every type of feed because we give her pig feed, chicken feed, she eat every type of feed. We know so that no good still, but when she run all about the place, that's how we do it. And see, she not used to tying, so look, she not eat much again because she used to let go, so her body condition drop like down to a 2 or maybe 0.5. No, 0.5 too far. Maybe 2. But yeah, peeps. Look at girl like one. She'll finish this soon. I leave her still. Check on the next boat we have at home. The one with kid. So just next to him. Really far still, but we have a mom with her kid there. She have a boar kid. I see kid there. She has bloat and everything. She have worm, mites, everything that attack. Yesterday we noticed all of that, and I wash her with some thick wash. I don't know if that good for mites or about the beard or some thick wash still. So she look, her coat look a bit better from yesterday morning to now this morning. So that's like basically 24 hours. She look a bit better. When her ears them have mites and her head and all that thing, like a bang belly. But he's doing good actually. Because he is and in head top for mites. I never really noticed because he always there in the bush. And we noticed there's something wrong with her because she's like wrong with him. Why may I say her and her sister? Her sister passed. His sister passed already. I don't know what I have to say. Her, straight, her. You know. But yeah, people. That's what's up for the boats. Right here. She got a running belly. For some him a poo, solid poo instead of those watery ones. Mother has feed. But he might be alright. I mean, it's not much. We want to build a house and put them in and still want to get him for eat. Feed as well. We never ever try with that, try him with that or nothing. I'm just used to saying this her because that native boy mixer we have. I love her, I don't know, I just love her. So I get to call him her every minute. But yeah people, that's what's up. So as you see, we just place a new crate here, see. We have mud up on the floor still. Just place a new crate there. Separate these two ends. We have this is some duck egg we just pick up all over our yard. It's like not sure the amount we have put them in. I'll show you. So it's like just drop in a different nest. So separate them two here from the turkey egg. And more turkey them really hot, so no nobody fight for them. So, they take a look bath and look at thing water shortage, all of that. Just the same. So this it's like how much egg this? This is just one turkey egg still, so we just put it in here. Then take the same time, 28 days to hatch as duck egg. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 duck egg. This is like 10 duck egg and one turkey egg. So I put one of these ends in here, so I cover him down and show should take this nest and stop fight over that nest over there. So I get this a little thing you can put on top of it as soon as we put our inside of it. Like that. Which one we shall take out? We take out this one here. Put her in. Put her in this nest here. So she fully take the eggs, but she'll jump out anyway. So I'll cover her in. So I'll cover her inside I put something on top of it to hold it down. Make sure stay in it for about until tomorrow maybe. And see or make sure take the next day. Getting people. So then stop fight because she have see 4 ends here. She have 3 turkey egg beneath her. Next one have next one here have 5. So she'll get this set on those better. And you just go and do your thing there, so wait 28 days to you. So people will walk like penny now. Sort out the rest of the vlog here. So stay tuned. So people reach around here now. Where the pig them there now. Set up a little farrowing stall, farrowing crate, or whatever somebody else can call it. We have a machete and we saw a nail. So I go down here now, gather in all the material them we use. So gather in all material we use. So we use some of them board here. Some of them board here, and then some of them one here as well, really bar in. So just stay tuned. I get her in the other side there. So we get her in material now. These are gonna be some posts. These are gonna be the sides to make you stay inside, and these are the posts. When you reach to a mention and it reach to a certain point, we're gonna bring you back in because we don't have no place to hold our camera. Camera is hard to sit somewhere here So we just do it and let's show you guys right after. We'll go our car with the here, so we'll try to make sure just go and feed and pick around and enjoy herself, because that's what she was used to. So we do the same thing, but now just we have time. Since we're here and she's here, so just let her go. So we know how much not sure how much of this you're seeing, but this is how we are make it. Yes, I put this here so she shall buy food. We're gonna put this here so ensure that it line up with the trough over there. So yes, I put a nail light so she stop biting. So now we not really move again. This is just one side. We still have to put some post here. So again, on the one here, so we get to forget the flooring. So the baby then can come under here, come get her breast and everything. So she's gonna be in the middle, heading straight to the trough so she can get water and all of that. Put an exposure on there, then close her in. On this side, there's a put up on next one piece here on the top. Just make it close off one side already. People. Well, just maybe one side, you know. One more is gonna go down on the ground level. Yeah. So now we are getting post. This is the first post one. You can see how really get back. Put this right here. On the camera one, so I don't really have to see much. I try still, so I try line her up and see how far she's gonna be. Just one line her up so it'll be about here and she can lay down, so perfect. Alright, both here, we can put down here right here. We can lock her in. Yeah?
This will be a vlog by itself. Should be a vlog in itself. You know, that's how it goes sometimes. Perfect.
Alright, so we can pick up the camera and show now what's up now. Excuse me. Alright, so let's see how we do it. 1, 2, 3 pieces of board. She can't go over that side there. Down here, so now, floor level. When she lie down, the babies will come. Our nipples will be hanging out of these areas. The baby don't come feed from this side here. The babies ain't come feed. Probably don't necessarily need to go up a bit. Probably have adjust it. Probably are going to make it stay because that's where her head will be. So you don't really want to down low. This side here should be more high. The babies can come under without touching or scratching themselves on it. But here people, this is what it looks like from here. So now we'll put her in and do the next side. Put up the next side. So here now people, we'll get the next piece of board now. Drop in the she line up already perfect in a spot where she's supposed to be. So drop on this and lock her in already. She can't really come out. We'll put her up closer a bit. So enclose her in right now. She can't come out now. She just bend right out of it. Now she don't want to be closed inside. We'll put her right there so up there. She have to stay in it. Come back with her. She now go back with her. See how far we are placed. This. Line. This. So let me look closer. Go here. Line it up with the next post. The other side. Yeah, and this looks about perfect. This looks about perfect spot. This is our done up for the time being. Look at your front. We actually get the front up. Let's push it out. Run with this coat here outside. Let's get a stabilizer bar. Stabilize it. On this side to this side. Jump up there. Come down now, man. Make sure you cannot jump. I can show now how far we reach. So far. So this is what it's looking like now. Like a barrier. Barrier inside. She won't be messing up these areas. She won't be messing up the area. Clean it soon. She's gonna lay down just like how she'll lay down now. So she'll lay down. This is how she'll lay down so she no hurt the babies, the piglets. So she go down soft and easy because she can go straight down. She can't just drop on her side or anything like that. And as soon as she put up her legs, her breast is gonna go out and protrude through these little lower areas. So baby just have to come nibble on, get some milk from right there. So we are updating now until we actually complete all of this. But yeah people, this is how you make a farrowing station. Other big farmer make it out of iron, but I'm just a poor farmer. There as I try and just figure out a way how we do the same thing at a lower cost and being innovative at the same time, thinking outside of the box. So when I have to spend some money to go actually build an iron farrowing stable station. But yeah peeps, so you build a homemade farrowing station. So now this is how the end product look like. So see, she can lay down. Or she'll lay down. She's hot. So we need to get something to block off the sun from her right here. So I block off the sun from her because she used to be laying on like this side now. And the sun get hot in the evening and come back on her. So I get a sheeting to block off here. So this is what the finishing thing look like. So she lay down like me I say. Her breast might come out here so the baby then can get milk. So she will give birth just like that, you see. We have vulva and everything. So this is the baby might born right there, so we have something to block her. So she can't go back no more standing, but she can go back more laying down. And it's also on the both side. So on top now we have, it's like a cage down her inside eye. So she can't jump up to drop back down and step on any baby them either. So you know my pigs don't like jump up, so we just bar her down inside eye so she can't jump down. But that's pretty much it, and we just have a little barrier right here so the baby don't jump over in the water because they won't be walking under here to go in it to reach the water. This is what it looks like. Look what headspace she put in, can get water. She'll get feeding at this mostly now instead of on the floor. She'll feed in a trough now mostly. Well yeah people, that's a bit of farrowing station, stable, whichever some people call it, maternity ward. So that's how you hear some other man call it, not like them big farmer. You know them big farmer they have it farrowing station, farrowing stable, something like that. But this is pretty much it, quick and easy, half hour time you can finish, but because I have videos some probably take about 45 minutes to do it. Once you have the right material and you have an idea of what you're doing, this is it. So until then people, just stay tuned to Wyndham Livestock Farm. And she not left me. Look at her. So until then people,